The night we met, you awakened, all I thought was that. The moon shone differently, and I was no longer lonely. The night we met, you placed a smile upon my face. To this day, I can't wipe it away when memories rush through me like waves. That night, I found my old self. You reminded me of who I once was. You erased the sadness from my face with words as warm as a hug. You laughed at my jokes, even the ones barely worth a smile. For once, I didn't feel like I was annoying or boring. You gave meaning to the words good night and good morning. You came as if God sent to restore my sight when I could no longer see. If only I could have stayed, how I wish I could go back to the night we met. Recently, I've been listening a lot to the song The Night We Met by Lord Huron. The line Take Me Back to the Night We Met kept echoing in my head, and it inspired me to write this poem. I think that most of us, at least once in our lives or one day, meet that one person who unexpectedly enters our world and changes everything. They change us for the better. That happened to me once. It was night, and it all started with a conversation I still remember word for word. I had no idea at the time that this person would become so dear to me and that they would impact my life in such a significant way. Whenever I hear the song The Night We Met, all those memories come flooding back, and my heart fills with emotions that I don't know what to do with, so I pick up a pen and start writing. And that's how this poem came to be.